Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a quick daily dash. I just left Chipotle. Gotta pay off that Chipotle meal. You know, Chipotle is probably like the best ROI, return on investment, out of all of the food places, because this whole thing is packed. And if you do it the way I do it, I get both rice, both beans, extra veggies, I get the salad. So basically I get everything double that is free. And then this, by the end of it, this entire thing is packed. It's like 2 or 3 meals, and you only pay $8.50 for it. Unless you get like guac or, I don't know, some other stuff. Anyways, today we're doing a quick daily dash. I'm going to the gym, dashing on the way, try to pay off this Chipotle that I just bought, go to the gym, and then I gotta go home. Just bought a new jacuzzi, so we are gonna be setting up a jacuzzi today. Yeah, I don't know what to talk about today. I guess I'll talk about this guy. I'll say his name. He's a little prick. I don't know what his problem is. His name's basically has a channel dedicated to me and Pedro, and he just makes videos where he makes farting noises and talks about his love for me and Pedro, basically. Or his envy. I don't know. I don't understand it. But I'm sure he's a good guy at heart. He's just playing the heel, trying to be the bad guy on the internet, trying to get some clicks, clickbait and shit. But the one thing I will say is I was going through some of the comments on the videos that he made about me, and a lot of the people are saying multiple sources of income is not how you become rich. And I agree. It's not how you become rich fast, but it's how you become rich in a sustainable way that's safe. And especially for someone who's a beginning entrepreneur like me. Like, I'm not claiming to be a freaking Jeff Bezos or anything. Basically what they're saying is people don't get rich by doing a bunch of different things. I don't think you realize I'm doing literally one thing. All of my businesses are all connected. This is for that little prick. Basically says that that's not how you become rich. Rich people focus on one thing. Multiple streams of income, like me and Pedro are always talking about, is not the way to go. I shouldn't be giving advice to people, all that yada yada yada. What happens when that one stream of income disappears? That happened to me. That's why I have multiple streams of income. It happened to me out of nowhere. It was something that I couldn't control. COVID came and canceled all of entertainment. I had 23 shows booked starting March 23rd, 2020, all the way through December 31st. 2020 was going to be an epic year. It was like over $100,000. I want to say it was $130,000 worth of shows that we had booked. I was going to probably make more money than I'd ever made in 1 year. And then COVID came around and canceled the whole entire thing, which put me back into the position of I have to Doordash again. Oh, we got an order from Chipotle, but it's delivering at South Point Casino. Definitely not delivering to a casino. Yeah, when something like that happens to you, and you basically lose your entire business for over a year based on something you cannot control, and you're not even legally allowed to put on shows, then you're going to switch up your mindset a little bit. If you don't, like, all of my businesses are kind of interconnected. My footwear company promotes my stunt show promotes my footwear company. Our stunt show is marketing for our footwear company. Like, when we do shows, a lot of the times I will take a lower rate. Like, for example, the typical fee that we charge to show up for a show, for one act, like let's say they're booking a BMX act or a tramp wall act. One of these acts, I charge $5,000 for us to show up. But if they will allow me, if it's like I won't do it for like a birthday party or something. If it's like a big event, like for example, the Science and Technology Festival that we perform at in Las Vegas, I will put, this is like long-term thinking, you know? I will take a lower rate, about $4,000, and I will turn it into a gigantic advertisement. I'll put a huge fat logo on our wall. I'll put banners all over the place. So at that point, they know they're coming to see an off-access show. And most clients don't want you to turn their event into an advertisement. So that's like the compromise they're making. I'm like, hey, you got a few thousand people there showing up to watch us. If we turn this into an advertisement and I can sell my shoes there and I can like advertise, put all the stuff around, you know, then I'll charge less. It makes more sense because then I can obtain more clients in the future. So those businesses are basically completely intertwined. They even run off the same exact website. And the YouTube channel is just something I've had for a while, you know. I've had the YouTube channel before I started my companies. So the YouTube channel came first, and the YouTube channel is essentially marketing for those companies. And it's just for me to, my whole goal is to inspire other people to become business owners, to take control of their finances on their own. And even though Peter says I'm just bragging about myself, the only way I can explain to you guys how to do something is the way that I've done it. That's literally the way I have to explain it. I'm like, this may not be right. I'm not claiming that I'm always right, but it's the way that I did it, and hopefully you guys can follow in my footsteps and do the exact same thing. So, I don't know. I don't know why I feel the need to respond to people like that who are just spewing out negativity and stuff, but it is what it is. I got nothing else to do today, so we're just got another crappy order delivering over by the strip. Not gonna do it. But anyways, I'll be right back as soon as we get an order. Alright, just wrapped it up at the gym, and we got an order from Teriyaki Madness. It literally delivers exactly on my way home. Perfect order. Getting that casual dash. Paying off the Chipotle order. We're gonna come up $1 short because this is a $7 order. Chipotle was $8. Whatever, got most of it done. Was that like 80% of the orders paid off already? Not too bad. Anyways, I'll be right back. Let's go pick up this order. Alright, just picked up the order. It's literally dropping off like right down the street. It's a 1 mile delivery. Anyways, just want to talk about some positive stuff, guys. Everyone, I think, should be putting out positive stuff. No one wants to be around the guy who's putting out negative stuff, you know? Like, I just find it a little strange that this dude just constantly puts out negative stuff and tells me that I don't know what I'm doing with business, yet his entire YouTube business model, or YouTube model, whatever you want to call it, maybe it's not a business because I doubt he's making money, is literally to troll me and Pedro. And you're telling me that my business model isn't sustainable. He says that my businesses will not be around in 5 to 10 years. I can assure you, especially the footwear company, is a long-term plan. But telling me that I don't have a sustainable business model when your YouTube model is to literally try to pick up the people that don't enjoy my channel. Like, you're literally picking up the scraps off of me and Pedro's channel. Like, the people that come to our channel that don't like it, that's your audience. What the anyways, alright, pulling up to this person's house right now. Be right back. Oh yeah, Susan gave me an extra post tip, and we got another order. $5.60. I think we'll do it. $5.60 for 2.5 miles. It is not out of the way at all. It basically takes me back to the main road that I need to drive on to get home. KFC, we're doing it. Whatever. Now we'll be in the positive. I break down everything into small, when I spend something, I make it back right then and there. I do not like falling behind. In fact, I'm someone who is always trying to get ahead. The further you can get ahead, the easier life is going to be. I even treat road trips and stuff like that. Like, I just drove across the country, and my friend was like, yeah, it's probably gonna take you 5 days to drive to Florida. And I was like, 5 days? Dude, I'm gonna do it in 2. He's like, you there's no way you could do it in 2. And I was like, Dude, I've already done it in 5 times. I've driven from here to Florida and back 4 times this year. Well, twice. Here, and then back, and then there, and then back 4 times. And then to Texas and back, and then all over the place basically. I was like, dude, I'm the person that is not gonna take breaks, and I'm gonna finish the job. If someone pays me by gig rather than by the hour, if they were paying me by the hour, I would just be like, yeah, I'll take my time, I'll take 4 days. But if you're gonna pay me to accomplish a mission, I'm gonna do that mission right then and there. Finish it ahead of time. That way I can start on other things. That's just the way I have always treated everything. Now, I tried to, Elon Musk's saying recently was if you have 30 days to do a project, it's gonna take you 30 days. If you have 3 hours to do a project, it's gonna take you 3 hours, Not me. I will do that shit right at the beginning. I got a gig coming up in 10 days, and I gotta build a half pipe for it. I'm gonna go home and start that today. I'm not gonna wait till the day before or something, Anyways, I just think that's a very good... I think too many people wait till the last minute to get stuff done. We all know the person, or I'm sure we probably all, when we were in school, took forever to get our homework done and would wait till the last day right before it's due. Got cat fur floating all over the car. My freaking cat. I took her on one road trip, and this car is forever covered in cat fur because of that one road trip. Anyways, I'll be right back. Let's go pick up this KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Alright, just wrapped up that order. We made $14 and 20 cents or something like that. Pretty good day for about an hour of dashing and going to the gym in the middle of it. So, if you guys enjoy these videos at all, make sure you subscribe and also smash that little thumbs up down there for me. And if you haven't yet, go check out my footwear company at offaccessathletics.com. Use the discount code offaccesstanner for 30% off. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, make that money. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments section down below. And you, Mr.